So this is the OneNote notebook for the TELSSA project. This is the online web version of it. One of the things about OneNote is it comes in different forms. There are desktop versions for Windows, there are desktop versions for the Mac, there are also versions for the Android phones, for iPhones, and also for iPads and Android tablets. So it's very versatile. But the different forms are not exactly the same. They do similar jobs, but they don't all look identical. The desktop versions, particularly the Mac version, is a much more elegant version than this web one. But we'll start with the web one. If we go over to the scrolling bar and click on that, you can see that it opens up the structure of the notebook. There are a number of sections which are in the left hand column, introducing ourselves, about our research, and so on and so forth, and we can add and change those sections as we want. We retain complete control over the structure of the notebook. And then within each section there are a number of separate pages, and you've seen this already. We're starting to create pages for our own particular project. If we look at Doug's page, for example, it takes a moment to upload to the web. You can see we've got photographs, we've got text, we've got hyperlinks, we've got embedded video, we've got a full range of materials. And the videos will play when we click on them. What I'm going to do now is go to Marguerite's page, where she's given us her very impressive CV, and I'm going to choose Edit in OneNote. Click on that, ignore that option, and I'm going to choose Continue to edit in OneNote online. You can see that there's a number of menu bars along the top, one of which is an insert which has picture grayed out. But when we click in the text itself, then the picture icon appears. We can then choose a file. I've got one on my desktop that I took of Marguerite a year or so ago. We can click on that, insert it into the document, wait for it to upload, and there's a picture of Marguerite. I'm going to click on the picture, use the handles to make it smaller, go to Home, and I'm going to move it into the middle, and there's a picture of Marguerite above her CV. One of the advantages of using OneNote is that everything is automatically saved in the cloud, and it's saved in one particular location. So we can all collaborate, we can all work on this together, we can even work on the same document at the same time. And it's all saved in one central place somewhere in the cloud, probably in a server somewhere in the States. So this simplifies our collaboration, and because our collaboration is simple, it's more likely to work and it's more likely to be successful.